Welcome to Bike Zone in-depth look at the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R, the ultimate evolution of Kawasaki's legendary middleweight supersport. This bike has always been a track favorite, and in 2025, Kawasaki has raised the bar even higher. Let's dive into what makes this bike so special. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Ninja ZX-6R boasts an aggressive, race-inspired design. Kawasaki has sharpened the front end, giving it a more aerodynamic profile with twin LED headlights that add a sinister edge. The new fairings not only look good, but they also improve airflow, making this bike as functional as it is beautiful. The bike is available in a range of striking colors, from Kawasaki's iconic lime green to sleek, stealthy blacks and grays. Power and performance. At the heart of the Ninja ZX-6R is its proven 636cc inline-4 engine, designed to give you that sweet balance between high-revving power and real-world usability. For 2025, Kawasaki has made some fine-tuned adjustments to increase mid-range torque, making it even more potent on twisty roads and racetracks. Expect around 130 horsepower with the Kawasaki Quick Shifter KQS system, allowing for seamless clutchless upshifts, perfect for track days or spirited rides. Handling and suspension. The 2025 Ninja ZX-6R doesn't just rely on its engine to shine. Its handling is where the bike truly excels. Kawasaki has equipped this model with the Showa SFFBP front fork and an adjustable rear shock, ensuring that the suspension can be tailored to any riding condition. Whether you're carving through canyon roads or hitting apexes on a track, the ZX-6R gives you razor-sharp precision and confidence-inspiring stability. Advanced electronics. Kawasaki understands that modern riders demand more than just raw power. That's why the 2025 ZX-6R comes loaded with advanced electronics. You get multiple ride modes, traction control, and the Kawasaki Intelligent Anti-Lock Brake System KIBS. There's also a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, allowing you to track your ride stats, receive calls, and even map your routes with Kawasaki's Radiology app. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite being a supersport machine, the 2025 Ninja ZX-6R offers a surprisingly comfortable ride. The ergonomics strike a good balance between aggressive and relaxed, making it suitable for both weekend track warriors and everyday riders. The adjustable foot pegs and handlebars give you the freedom to tailor the fit to your own riding style, ensuring comfort even on longer rides. Conclusion. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R is more than just a middleweight supersport, it's a statement of intent from Kawasaki. With its stunning design, thrilling performance, and modern technology, the ZX-6R is ready to dominate both the streets and the track. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking to get into the supersport world, this bike is a perfect blend of power, precision, and excitement. Call to action. What do you think of the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle reviews and news.